What's up, Tesla family? Today, I have some exciting news. Supposedly, there's a brand new, real-life Tesla Cybertruck sitting at my local Tesla store right now. So I figured, since it's nice out, I jump in the car, take you guys with me, and go check this thing out. So let's not waste any time. Let's get going. All right, so unfortunately, my girlfriend, she's on a road trip with the Model 3, but it is a nice day outside, so I think I'm going to take the Porsche today. It did rain a little bit outside, but I think it should dry up. The weather's not too bad. The sun is shining. I can feel it. So yeah, we're going to take this today, show up at the Tesla dealership. Guys, what's really crazy about this is I just got notified that this Cybertruck is at the Tesla dealership or its Tesla store in my city. Meanwhile, I just got invited to the Cybertruck delivery event in Texas. So I am going to Texas at a personal invite and I'll be there. And I thought that me going to Texas was going to be my first time actually seeing the Cybertruck be unveiled in person. And then I get notified that it's right here in my city. It's the craziest thing. So I'm still gonna go see it right now. Hopefully the event is still gonna be good. It's gonna be this month on the 30th. So I will be in Texas for a few days. If you guys are going out there, don't be afraid to say what's up. I'm gonna be there hanging out and just having a good time. So yeah, let's go see what this is all about. I heard it's nicer in person. I heard it's bigger in person. And I just can't believe it's actually here already. I did not think it was gonna come. So honestly, I don't even have an order for a Cybertruck yet. And if I do put in an order, it's gonna take years for it to come. So I'm thinking like, is it gonna take 4 years and then by the time my Cybertruck does come, there's gonna be the revised version of it? Should I just wait? So I'm gonna be asking those questions at the Tesla store as well and see what's going on with that. But yeah, let's get it. Let's go for this ride and go see this thing. Okay guys, here we are. We are pulling up to Tesla. Bam. It's almost time to go see this thing. So there were a lot of people here checking out the Cybertruck and a lot of noise, so I decided not to be that crazy guy walking around talking to the camera. So I'm gonna do this voiceover while letting all the footage play. I spent the first few minutes in disbelief that I'm actually seeing this thing in real life. Like it's actually here after years of waiting. The size of the Cybertruck is about what I expected, although a lot of people say it seems bigger in person. The texture and the color of the metal is perfect in my opinion. It looks like stainless steel appliances you may have in your kitchen. If you didn't know, the shell is nearly impenetrable as it's designed for superior strength and endurance from ultra-hard 30X cold-rolled stainless steel. You may have seen Joe Rogan shoot his 90-pound compound bow that shoots 525 grain arrows at 300 feet per second into the side with just making a dent. On Rogan's podcast, Elon mentioned he emptied an entire magazine of a Tommy gun as well as shooting a 45mm shotgun and a 9mm gun at the truck, and will later reveal the footage. The glass is also made of a polymer layered composite, which is not bulletproof, but will supposedly absorb and redirect some impact. In person, the glass seems tinted, which I'm not sure will make the production models. There are no handles here, but for some reason, Tesla still shows updated pictures of the truck with handles on its website. Anyway, Elon said these doors will open automatically without handles in the presence of a phone or key fob. The bed of the truck wasn't able to be opened up, however it has 100 cubic feet of exterior, lockable storage including the underbed, front, and side pillars, and the magic tonneau cover is supposedly strong enough to stand on. Also, supposedly, is going to double as a ramp to load things like the Cyberquad and motorcycles. This thing really looks aggressive and it's not for show. With up to 3,500 pounds of payload capacity and adjustable air suspension, the Cybertruck will be the most powerful Tesla car ever built. It has the ability to pull near infinite mass and has a towing capability of 1,400 pounds. But the craziest thing is that if the tri-motor makes it into production version, it will accelerate 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds and will supposedly have up to 500 miles of range, more than any other Tesla road car. Not to mention, it can raise and lower suspension 4 inches in either direction and has self-leveling capabilities to adapt to any occasion and assist with every job. But we'll have to see if these specs stay the same in the production model. The doors couldn't be opened, so I couldn't get a full view of the interior. However, I was able to see through the glass. It's supposedly able to seat 5 comfortably with additional storage under the second row seats. From what I can see through the window, the seats are boxy just like the exterior, but somehow they look comfortable. It had a full steering wheel, not a yoke, which looks like the ones on the 2024 refresh Model 3s. The screen looked massive. It's a 17-inch and supposedly features a whole new interface made specifically for the Cybertruck. The latest leak also shows that there'll be integrated 120-volt and 240-volt power points, turning it into a kind of mobile mini power station. It also features an onboard air compressor, supposedly. These wheels are actually smaller than what I expected, but they do look cool. I just wonder how much it's going to be to replace these things because of its custom design, and how much it will be. I got to look underneath as well, but nothing really surprising. It looks the same as any other Tesla since it's covered with a metal plate. Lastly, I got some footage of the cameras that I could find. I thought the cameras on the fenders were interesting, and I'm wondering how all the viewing angles will look. Hopefully, we'll finally get a 360 parking view. All of these features I mentioned are speculation, as details have been changing since 2019. I tried to use the most up-to-date information I can find from reliable sources, so if I got something wrong, it was not on purpose. And I will be making an updated video after the official release on the 30th. But yeah guys, really cool. I stayed for a bit to talk to some other Tesla owners and met a fellow YouTuber who plans on using the Cybertruck a part of his home improvement business. So go check out his channel, Your Dream Home Improvements. But wait, as I was leaving, they also had the Tesla bot here. This bot is a cool thing because it's going to be able to help humans carry objects and do work in the factories. Supposedly it's going to use the same AI technology as Tesla vehicles, allowing it to navigate the world safely and efficiently. It was really cool to see this thing in person, front and back, from head to toe. I can't wait till these things come out. Actually, I don't know about that yet. But now let's really get out of here. So that was it guys, that was the Cybertruck. It was cool to get there and see it in person and just get my thoughts about it. I didn't really get to talk to any of the Tesla employees because I just wanted to get that footage and get out. There was a lot of people there taking pictures also. It's really nice in person. It's built really well. There's no panel gaps, but it is a show model, so we don't know how it's gonna be. It's exactly like all the pictures in the internet. They weren't able to open it up and they weren't able to open the back cover, but I did get to take a peek inside the glass. It looks really nice. And that's really it guys. I just wanted to get that footage, get it on here, be one of the first. So like I said, I'm gonna be in Texas on the 30th for the Cybertruck delivery event. If you guys are out there, hit me up. I'll be out there chilling for a few days. And that's it. Also, I just want to thank this channel sponsor, accessoriesfortesla.com, that gives you guys a lot of cool aftermarket Tesla accessories for the low. All right, so go check that out. Stay tuned, continue to follow the channel, like this video if you liked it. Also, if you guys want me to do more content like this, like vlogs and stuff like that, I will do more. I'm gonna be doing one for the Tesla Cybertruck event also, so be prepared for that. Subscribe and stay tuned. Until next time, peace.